Hello everyone. So some Windows 11 users woke up to a serious problem. Their SSDs were suddenly full even though nothing's changed, and the issue wasn't downloads, updates, or apps. It was a hidden system file growing out of control in the background, sometimes reaching tens or even over 100 gigabytes. But now Microsoft has finally fixed it. The issue was tied to a system component called CapabilityAccessManager. This service is responsible for tracking app permissions, things like location, microphone, camera, and background access. Inside it, Windows uses a log file called CapabilityAccessManager.db-wal. Normally, this file is temporary and stays small, but due to a bug on Windows 11, it wasn't being cleaned up correctly. Instead, it kept on growing continuously in the background. On affected systems, this file could grow to 20 GB, 50, and even over 100 gigabytes, filling up system drives unexpectedly and triggering low disk warnings and slowing down the system. And the worst part, most users couldn't even see it in the storage settings because it was buried under the system and reserve space. Before Microsoft stepped in, users had to rely on manual workarounds like booting to safe mode, stopping the Capability Access Manager service, taking ownership of the system folders, and deleting that database file manually. This worked, but it wasn't something average users could safely do, and the file often came back. Now, since then, Microsoft has updated its support page for the latest update of the operating system, and it notes that this update improves disk space usage for the Capability Access Manager DB-wal file. So now the fix is rolling out now to affected devices. However, at the time of recording, this update is available as an optional install, but it will start rolling out automatically on July 14th, 2026 as the Patch Tuesday update for July 2026. Now, if you happen to be running out of space because of this issue, you can always open the Settings app and on Windows Update, make sure to turn on this feature and then click for the Check for Updates button to get the preview for the update, and that should include the fix. But if you can wait, the update will install automatically in the next Patch Tuesday schedule. After you install the update, the Compatibility Access Manager folder, which is located in this path, will show up as empty as you see it on the screen. So at the end, this wasn't malware or user error. It was a silent Windows login bug inside a core permission system. And while it caused major storage headaches for some users, Microsoft has now resolved it through its servicing update. Now, let me know in the comments if you have encountered this issue on your computer and if after installing the latest update for Windows 11 fixed the issue. Like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet, and I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.